Chisels are among the most used tools in the workshop, and to get the best results they need to be razor sharp. In this video I show you how I sharpen chisels by hand without the use of any honing guides to get a razor sharp edge every time. I use a spray bottle to keep my waterstones moist during the sharpening process. For the sharpest edge, it's important that the back of the chisel is flat. Here I'm putting pressure down on the back of the chisel, making sure I don't lift the back end of the chisel, which can round over the cutting edge. Check your progress periodically to make sure you've got an even scratch pattern all the way across. When you do, you know that the back is flat, and then you can concentrate on working your way up through finer and finer grits until the back of the chisel is polished. Before sharpening the bevel, I like to make sure that the waterstone is nice and flat. I do that by using a flattening stone. With the bevel side down, you can rock the chisel until you feel the flat of the bevel engage the stone. And then you can work the blade back and forth, keeping the bevel flat on the stone. Again, you'll start with coarser stones and work your way up through finer and finer grits until the bevel is polished. You may start to feel a burr or a wire edge on the back of the chisel, which is a good sign that you've got a nice sharp edge. To remove that burr, I place the back of the chisel flat on the stone and make one stroke backwards. That should be sufficient to remove the wire edge. My test for sharpness is to see if the cutting edge catches on my thumbnail. And if I can take shavings off of the end of a softwood like basswood or pine and leave a smooth surface, I know the edge is sharp.